Low-cost cat activities. Cats make amazing friends. They make our life happier and more cozy. Still, looking after them can occasionally be expensive. The good news is there are several methods to keep your cat happy and save money. You don't have to pay much to give your cat an interesting and pleasant surroundings. This video will present some reasonably priced ideas for your cat. Handmade cat toys. Making your own cat toys is one of the easiest approaches to cut costs. Cats enjoy playing, hence you might make toys out of objects you already have at house. One can find great entertainment from a basic string. Tie a little knot at one end and drag it about for your cat to hunt. One more choice is to employ crumpled-up paper. Just as entertaining as any commercially produced toy is a ball of paper. Toy manufacturer also benefits from empty toilet paper rolls. Cut them into rings and link them to provide your cat with a puzzle. For more enjoyment, you can even stuff them with some catnip. Additionally possible are toys from old socks. Tie the end and load them with catnip. Your cat will like chewing and batting on it. Cardboard boxes. Boxes are popular among cats. They are fun hiding in, playing with, and even sleeping in. Save the box for your cat whatever package you get. To further increase the thrill, cut holes in the sides. Your cat will have a small playhouse resulting from this. One can create a box maze as well. Link many boxes to form hiding places and tunnels. Your cat will be occupied for hours from this basic arrangement. This is a free and simple approach to provide your cat with fresh excitement. Customary scratching posts. Cats must scratch if they want to maintain healthy claws. Though you can create your own, buying a scratching post might be costly. Look for a strong cardboard tube or some solid wood. Wrap it over an old carpet piece or sisal rope. Tightly secure it to prevent unraveling. For little cost, this homemade scratching post will meet your cat's urge to scratch. You may give an old piece of furniture new use. Fabric will help you to wrap the legs of a chair or table. This provides your cat with somewhere to scratch and protects your furnishings from damage. Furthermore, environmentally friendly are your recycling efforts. Handmade cat beds. Your cat needs a comfortable sleeping quarters. You can create a reasonably priced bed right at home rather than purchasing one. Use a blanket or old sweeper. Stuff it full of soft items like towels or old clothing. To make a pleasant bed, sew the ends together. Your cat will value the coziness and softness. One might also make use of a little basket or box. Line it with a gentle blanket or cushion. Your cat would have the ideal bed from this. Put it in a calm area where your cat enjoys to unwind. Reasonable treats. One fantastic approach to treat your cat is using rewards. You don't have to pay for costly sweets. You can create your own right at home. Cats would love cooked chicken or fish as a treat. Cut it up little and keep it refrigerated. Take care not to add any salt or spices. Also on sale are sweets. Search pet retailers for bulk offers or discounts. You can thus build up without overspending. Your pocketbook will be content as well as your kitty will be. Interactive play. You should spend time with your cat quite often. You may enjoy your cat without costly toys. One can have hours of enjoyment from a basic ball of paper. Throw it across the room and see how your cat hunts it. They will value the interaction and workout. Making a fishing pole toy is yet another interesting concept. Fasten a little toy or feather to a thread. Fasten the string to a pole or stick. To get your cat leap and grab it, dangle in front of them. Keeping your cat active and bonding with them this way is fantastic. Economical hair care. Health of your cat depends on grooming. You can handle it yourself rather than driving them to a groomer. Make wise brush and comb investments. Frequent brushing lowers shedding and keeps their fur healthy. Pet stores or internet shopping allow reasonably priced grooming tools. Generally speaking, bathing your cat is not absolutely essential. Most cats groom themselves rather well. Should you want to wash your cat, choose a mild cat shampoo. Most stores carry reasonably priced choices. After a wash, be sure your cat dries completely. Custom-made cat trees. Cat trees offer your cat somewhere to climb, scratch, and play. Although one can be costly, you can make yours. Make use of robust shelving or vintage furniture. To make them more cozy, cover them with carpet or cloth. To stop tipping, fasten them to the wall. The new climbing area will be interesting to your cat. You might also make advantage of your tall branch. For stability, fasten it to a strong foundation. Wind it around sisal rope or cloth. Climbing and scratching on it will be loved by your cat. This is an innovative and reasonably priced approach to provide your cat some workout. Reasonably priced cat food alternatives. Your cat depends on a good diet. You are not obliged to pay for the most costly cuisine. Search for reasonably priced, superior cat food. See the ingredients list to be sure it satisfies your cat's dietary requirements. Purchasing in bulk helps you to cut expenses. Search your neighborhood pet store for bargains or discounts. Food kept in an airtight container will stay fresh. You might also give homemade cat food some thought. Numerous recipes available online call for basic components. See your veterinarian prior to altering the diet of your cat. Do-it-yourself catnip toys. Cats adore catnip. Generally speaking, most pet retailers have dry catnip. Create your own catnip toys out of it. Stuff catnip inside little fabric pouches or socks. Tie or sew the ends to retain the catnip within. Your cat will have hours of delight with these toys. You might also toss catnip on their bed or on their scratching posts. This motivates people to employ these objects more often. An reasonably priced approach to keep your cat occupied is with catnip. Safe outdoor stories. Should your cat like to be outside, you can design a secure outdoor area. Under your direction, a leash and harness let your cat explore. This allows them to appreciate the surroundings free from running away risk. Most pet retailers have reasonably priced harnesses and leashes. You may even create a cat habitat right in your yard. Create a little, contained space using chicken wire or mesh. Fresh air and sunshine are something your cat can enjoy free from outside world risks. This is a cheap approach to provide your cat some outdoor space. Fun using paper bags. Cats may find immense delight in paper bags. Cats enjoy hiding in, pouncing on, and investigating them. Save the paper bags if you bring shopping home. Lay them on the floor and let your cat investigate. Eliminating any handles can help to prevent your cat from becoming caught. To further liven the bag, you could also cut a little hole in it. Your kitty will like peering through the hole. This is an inexpensive and basic approach to keep your kitty occupied. Reversing old toys. Old toys can find fresh appeal. Turn over your cat's toys to keep them appealing. Store some toys aside for a few weeks, then retrieve them. Your cat will consider them to be brand fresh. You may fix vintage toys as well. Stock any tears or reassembled loose bits. This will increase the lifetime of the toys and save you money. Your cat will still want to play with them. Taking care of your cat need not be costly. Your cat will be delighted in numerous low-cost ways with some imagination. Among possibilities are do-it-yourself toys, handcrafted beds, and reasonably priced dining options. Your time with your cat is just as priceless as any gift or toy. Your cat will value the affection and care you pay them. These easy and reasonably priced solutions will enable you to give your cat a healthy and contented existence. Thanks for watching. We're glad you joined us to learn more about cats and deepen your bond with them. If you enjoyed the video and want to share it with your fellow cat lovers, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, remember to turn on notifications so you won't miss our new videos. Until next time, stay with cats. Goodbye.